Yamaha states the FXHO is 827 pounds, and the FX Cruiser HO is 844 pounds dry. What is the 17-pound difference? Cruiser seat, speakers, because now it's standard, and with the speakers you have the speakers have an amplifier. They have the timeout battery protector, and so you have speakers, amplifier, wiring harness, the small box for the battery. Then you're going to have the phone integration, so that's the new pod that's on the dashboard. So it adds up. Yeah, HO to HO, and then of course the cruiser seat. Cruiser seat is a little bit stouter. It's foam and leather or vinyl. It's not that much, but it's enough that everything counts. So yeah, it adds up that way.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.